Strong winds and heavy rains on Saturday battered the streets of Magee, Mississippi, as tornadoes led by a strong storm system moved across the southeastern U.S. over the weekend. Reuters was able to independently verify the location by the road layout, traffic lights and nearby businesses that matched file and satellite imagery of the area. The date was confirmed by corroborating reports and statement from Mississippi Governor Ted Reeves as well as Magee Police Department. At least 10 tornadoes touched down in the southeastern U.S. states of Texas, Louisiana and Mississippi on Saturday, leaving one person dead near Houston, the National Weather Service and local law enforcement said. The severe weather disrupted holiday travel across the U.S., delaying or cancelling thousands of flights across the country.